Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko. What's good, people? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video. Today we'll be talking about our game against E.S Setif. This Sunday at Accra Sports Stadium, we'll host one of the best teams in African football, and it's going to be an interesting encounter in a CAF Confederation Cup game. The first leg will be played at the Accra Sports Stadium this Sunday, 3 p.m. We put in the rate, the gate fee, and the rate. So I'll be expecting everybody to be there to support the team. So ahead of the game, I'm going to give you updates on the team news and the injury list for Asante Kotoko, because Asante Kotoko will be without 4 good players when they face E.S Setif. So I'm going to be giving you updates about that, and I'll be giving you the name of the players. The first player that is out of the E.S Setif game is Osman Ibrahim. We all know that he's the only player that have scored in the African campaign this season, and he is expected to miss that particular game due to injury. He was supposed to come back this weekend actually, but he couldn't pass the late fitness test, and I don't think he traveled with the team to Accra. So he will be out of that game, and Kotoko will be playing without Osman Ibrahim. Next player we have here is Evans Adomako. He has been out for some time now, and people actually thought he left the club, but he has been injured and he hasn't been training with the team, and he's also out and won't feature against E.S Setif. That's according to reports. Then the third player here is Patrick Asma. Patrick Asma has been pretty good this season, starting from the left back, then left wing, then left midfield. He has been playing anywhere the coaches filled him, and he's been giving out impressive performance. Remember that his assist against Ibiswadaf in Cape Coast, the Christian goal. He played very well in that game and gave a very good assist. So I think he's one of the best players at Asante Kotoko, and he will be a huge miss because he won't be featuring against E.S Setif. Then the last but not the least is Emmanuel Sakode. Emmanuel Sakode is injured, and he's yet to make a full return to the team. He won't be in the team that will face E.S Setif on Sunday, which means that Johnson Smith and Abdul Ghazel will have to tweak things up to match the quality of E.S Setif. It's going to be an interesting counter. I'll be giving you a match preview of that game very soon on this channel. So if you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment what you think about the injury situation at Asante Kotoko. Johnson Smith said it's not easy because players are getting injured almost every time, and they'll have to manage with the players they have at the moment. So it's going to be very interesting to see how Johnson Smith and Abdul Ghazel will line the boys against E.S Setif on Sunday. I'll be there to give you updates and match review after the game. So subscribe if you're new here and hit the notification bell. So that's all for today. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.